And how cool's that? My bike knows it's out of its geofence setup thing. Yeah, that's cool. Nice. Whoa, what is the weather? And where's that railway bridge that I've got to find? Things we do to set up shop. Alright, new helmet, new bike. Let's try everything out. Damn the rain. Come on, boy, turn around. Things we do to set up shots, eh? All part of the fun. How's this bike? Now I've got a centre stand on it as well. And it's starting to rain again. Unbelievable. And then the rains came again. And it's flogging down. I've got to find somewhere to get out of this. Oh my god. Flogging down. Alright, good test for the new helmet, new jacket. Whoa, what is the weather? And where's that railway bridge that I've got to find? Down here somewhere. Oh my god. Crazy weather we're having. Oh, I don't know if this is going to help me much. It's got a hole in it, that's why. Holes in it. Damn weather.